This is my first coat. Green metallic Delflate. Yeah, looks good. Yep. And the next, I want to spray. The next job is here, the front, also green. It's a massive job. Too high. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.